sila kapag kapag nagbibigay ako ng jacket. Ayaw nila. Buti nga ngayon sila yung Nixon lang yung nandyan. Hi Niel, are you there Niel? Yung iba nagalit yan. Sa Patanggal yan. Ebony, hi to you. Nixon, Daily Lifestyle, hi. Pa-oo dito pag iba ayaw nila haha. Oo, lalo na yung si naku, si Bruce Wayne tsaka si Rose Danter. Naku. Ano yun? Bakit daw nagagalit? Kasi gusto nila sila lang. Tsaka ayaw nila nagdadagdag. Ayaw nila yung may maanohan sila. Gusto nila sila lang. La 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 la. Hi, can I lay down? Oh my God. Uy, naman na ako. Uy. Guys, forgive me. At ang hir. What time you are leaving? It should be 12 o'clock a.m. 12 p.m. 1 already. Kaya pala, oo, ano yan sila. Wonder, pregnant you are? How do you say pregnant? Hi ganda, Chris Bardino vlog, hi to you. Parilo, I'm Brazilian, hi. Obrigado Brazil. Uy, nasaan naman yung ko? Gusto ko na namang humiga, guys. Gusto ko nang humiga. May mga tropa naman tayo, Ma'am Evski, pakilala ko sa'yo. It's 12 p.m. here. 12 p.m. here. Wow, you are in the other side of the world. Gusto ko nang bumitaw. Oy, guys, ayaw pang bumitaw. I am planning to buy a phone. I feel so sad with my other phone. I don't know where's my one phone. And my second channel was there. Ebony in Eastern, the time zone is in the Eastern time zone. Wow. Anyari sa phone mo, host? Someone talk in my bag yesterday. Rio de Janeiro, hi. My name is Mazen. How do you do? Oh, hi Mazen. I'm just here. 12 p.m. what day? 12 p.m. it is Wednesday. No, don't cry. Niel Samson as my family. Wow, Niel. So that means somebody stole your phone. Yeah. Yeah, it is inside my bag. Then someone get it from there. Shout out this Vincent. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Of course, sad naman na wala bago pa yung phone mo. So, I brought that phone this January. So, in Singapore. So, oh my God, I was so sad. Sad naman bago pa yung phone mo. Watching from Mindanao, Philippines. Ayan, Jenes Cortez, hi to you. Evski also is from Philippines. Nakita mo rin na isa pang mahal ko na bira sa ibang araw. Nabira. Ano? What? Next one? Oh no, bago sayang pa naman. Kaya nga, ay naku, ewan ko ba? Ay, nag-iisip ako ngayon kung titingin ako ng phone, kung kukuha ako ng phone or what. Kasi, yes, Nel. Pinagsabi ni Nixon. Ako nagagano yan na naman. Anyone guys, hi everyone. You can support me guys by do sending super sticker or super